Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Rappi account password. For that, just go and open the app, and now you'll have to select your country, and you can log in with your Apple phone or Google. I have logged in using my Google, so just tapping on that I'll be logged in. And if you are using your email or your phone number to log in, just tap on that and enter your phone number, and they will send you a code to confirm it, and you'll be logged in. And if you're using your and if you're using your email ID, just tap on that and enter your email ID, and it will ask you to enter your password. And right below that there will be option named forgot password, from where you can reset your password. Just tap on forgot password, and they will send you a reset link or a verification code on your Google on your Gmail. Just check it out and tap on this button if it is a link, and if it is a code, just place it over here, and it will take you to a page from where you can reset your password. Enter your new password and confirm, writing it, and confirm again, and then write it again to confirm, and that is how you can reset your Rappi password. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.